Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe to QuickBooks Online detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu. From there, select that Apps section. In the Apps section, click on the Find Apps button. This will take you to the QuickBooks App Store. In the search bar, type Stripe and hit Enter. Locate the Stripe app from the search results. Click on the Get App Now button. You will be directed to the app installation page. Review the information about the Stripe integration. Then, click on the Sign In to Connect button. You will be redirected to the Stripe login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials and click Login. Once logged in, authorize QuickBooks to access your Stripe account. This may involve confirming certain permissions. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to QuickBooks. Now, choose the appropriate options for syncing your data. Select the categories for your transactions. Once you've made your selections, click on Connect. QuickBooks will begin syncing with your Stripe account. Monitor the syncing process for any notifications. Once completed, check the transactions imported from Stripe. Go to the Sales section in QuickBooks to view your data. Ensure everything looks accurate and is categorized correctly. If needed, make any adjustments to the imported data. You have now successfully connected Stripe to QuickBooks Online. Your financial data is now streamlined for better management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.